Hi, my name is Monica. So this fine arts trip, we went to some workshops and it was really fun because we got to work alongside professionals who are really good in their field, world-class musicians and conductors and composers, and we got to learn how to exemplify our playing through what they told us and just learn more about music in general. It was really fun.
So at the workshop, we got to do a voiceover for The Secret Life of Pets, and they gave us our lines and they let us study them for a little bit, and then we'd have to come up with a character to play for each one and a kind of tone of voice. On our lines, it also tell us the kind of like the personality of each one, the traits of each character, and do a voiceover for a scene and record it, and it was pretty fun. Yeah, it was just all around just a great experience. It was really fun.
One thing I learned the most about this trip was probably the balance of the orchestra, like how the trumpets and pretty much everybody else besides strings have to play a bit softer than what you probably would think. So that's what stuck with me the most, is having good balance within the group.
Where I've been able to further my knowledge and my ability with choir. So it's been wonderful being able to learn new techniques.
To learn like a lot more about music and how I can get a job in that field in the future, potentially.
It was so good. I loved it so much. It was lots of fun and the teachers were great.